Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Silver, and it's me, Sonic. Today, we're doing another Roblox video, and today we're playing some. What's that game called, Silver? This game is called Don't Touch the Button, and I just did, so I think we broke the rules. I think we're going to jail, Sonic. No, silly, it's a game. Oh. Sonic, how did you die already? I don't know, okay? And I don't really care. Sonic, you need to stay hydrated. You haven't drank water all day. You haven't even drank anything or ate. And it's like nighttime. Okay, fine, let me get something to drink. Some nice water. Sonic, are you sure that's not juice? Yeah, I'm sure. Dang it, I died. But let me smell it. Sonic, that's definitely juice. Okay, stop the cat, buddy. So guys, so as I told you, we might do another. I think Amy might do a video with you tomorrow. Wait, what? Yeah, Amy might do a video with you tomorrow. Okay. Am I supposed to care or what? Yeah! Sonic, how old are you again? I'm 30. I'm just gonna say 33, but I'm not that old. I'm 16. Shadows, like 16. Amy's freaking. It is she's 15. How old are you? 26? Wait, oh yeah, you're from the future, so of course you would be older. Are you calling me old? Yes, you old, Grandpa. Go on Google on Shadow is older than everybody in the Sonic universe. How, Sonic? Because on Google I searched up how old is Shadow and he's 50 years old. Wait, what? But not in this universe. Sorry guys, gotta stay hydrated. Sonic, why? Okay guys. This boy. Wait, I wonder if Sonic, why does it look like you're smelling the button? I'm trying to press it, but my screen won't work. No way, bro, has chocolate milk. I mean, it's too yummy. That's great. You got chocolate milk in real life and chocolate milk in freaking potato. I think we both died. Yeah, we did. This game's so hard. How? Oh, I can definitely do this. I can fly too with my jetpack. I have a jetpack. Yeah, so. Make sure to subscribe, guys. And really? Yep, I made it first. Ha ha ha. There's no funny, Silver. You know how many boulders that can crush? That can kill the whole entire popularity. Yeah. Okay, Sonic, you can shut up. Oh well, Sonic, what are you doing? Nothing. Okay, let me get that coin. Okay, let me jump. Okay. Do you know how long this video is gonna be, Sonic? I really don't know. Probably. This is just a guess. 10 minutes and 13 seconds. And it's a guess. Wait, it's actually finally full screen. Wait, it is. You're right, Silver. It's full screen. Wait, how? It's never been full screen like this before. YouTube is about to flip out. My first full screen video. How old is a dinosaur? 18. Wait, what? Silver, what was that? I don't know. I don't want to pay Robux. Ooh, rocket launchers. No, the last experience you had with rocket launchers went very bad. I had to buy a new house because of you. It was our accident. Stop. Ow, that hurt. How I still die. Do you hear that? Stop. Okane kasegu. Watashi wa shita. Okane kasegu. Watashi wa shita. Stop. Kira. Watashi wa shita. You know who I am? I don't know what the rest of the song is. Silver, what was that? Sonic, I'm gonna shove you. I'm gonna grab you with my power and then put you on the ground and then turn you into a chili dog. Ooh, I wonder what that would feel like. Bruh. Okay, Sonic, I'm sorry for doing it. No, I'm out of here. I'm flying away. Whee! Watch out for mines. Okay, it looks easy for now. How did I die? I don't know, Silver, how you died. I really didn't. Okay, let me catch you right now, son. Sorry, how are you so fast? Because I'm the fastest thing alive. Bro! Get back over here! Get back over here! Nah, I'm gonna do my own. I gotta tie my shoes. Wait, no! You wasn't supposed to catch me, you make it. Okay, time to kill you, Sonic. Wait, what? You can't do that. Bruh, how did he win? Okay, time to press the red blue button. Bro said the red blue button. Help Santa find the present. Okay, I already got one. I know how to find another present. I played this game 1,000,000 times. That's why I got so many coins. If I said I was new, then I don't know what I was talking about. But actually, I am new. Cause I'm playing on someone got me an account and I bought the game. So they gave me coins for no reason. And actually no, I bought some coins before we stopped recording. Look, let me get some water. Oh my god, this bro had this perfect. Wee, I'm the fastest thing alive. Hey Sonic, you wanna play tag? Yeah, let's play tag. Tag, you're it. Ah! You never catch me. Wee! That's not fair. It's fair. Sonic, you never set down the rules. You'll never catch me alive. Woo-hoo! Whoa, we're done. Ah! Bruh. No, ain't no way. Sonic, why do you have chocolate milk? Like, seriously, where'd you get that chocolate milk from? But guys, this is the end of the video. So So, and bye-bye. Sonic, you wanna say bye? Wait, I'm trying to drink my chalky milk. Bruh, no way this man says chalky milk. Well, bye-bye, guys.